Hello, my fellow art adventurers. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're embarking on a creative journey to make a hilariously funny pumpkin patch stack. Get your supplies ready, and let's dive right in. Let's start our pumpkin patch adventure by crafting the first mischievous pumpkin. Create a round pumpkin with half-closed eyes and a big, jagged grin. This pumpkin is full of tricks and mischief. Now, let's draw another one. A tall pumpkin this time. In a pumpkin patch, you'll find all sorts of shapes, sizes, and colors. For this tall one, give it two joyful eyes looking to the right, followed by a massive grin. But wait, there's more drama in our pumpkin patch. Draw the odd one out. This pumpkin is all about the melodrama. Start with a stem and a pear-shaped body. Give it two big round eyes, pointy nose, and a mouth with all teeth showing. Clearly, it's upset. Maybe because of a joke cracked by the mischievous one on its left. Now for our last addition, make a cute baby pumpkin peeking out from behind. This one's the sweetest of all, with just two eyes and a warm smile. To set the stage for our pumpkin patch stack, add some pumpkin leaves sticking out from the sides. And of course, don't forget to scatter a few fallen leaves around. After all, fall and pumpkins go hand in hand. And now, the most fun part. Let's bring our pumpkin patch to life with colors. Start by coloring the cutest pumpkin. Make those cheeks rosy and yellow and add a vibrant orange. The tall one with the crazy expression should be in a perfect yellow hue. I'm going with all shades of oranges, but feel free to use your creative color choices. Finally, add vibrant greens to the leaves. And highlight the pumpkins in yellow and orange. Voila! Our pumpkin patch stack is complete. If you enjoyed this artistic journey, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more fantastic art adventures. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, let your creativity shine just like our playful pumpkins here. Until next time, keep creating and have a blast.